Japan harbors numerous surprises within its heart, including some of the most peculiar natural wonders waiting to be marveled at. One such awe-inspiring sight is the legendary Zao snow monsters in Yamagata Prefecture. These monster-like entities are in real coniferous trees that are laden with snow. Their frozen contours give them the appearance of mystical figures. The formation of snow monsters requires specific climatic and geographical conditions to come together, thus making it a rare natural phenomenon. So let's get on this journey together to Zao Onsen town, where steaming hot water flowing from the depth of the earth and snow exist side by side. My journey began from Tokyo Station, where I boarded a Shinkansen or bullet train offering the swiftest route to Yamagata in approximately 2.5 hours. As Shinkansen glides towards Yamagata, the urban sprawl gradually gives way to serene rural landscape. The anticipation builds up as the snowbound terrain makes its first appearance, setting the stage for the icy realm of the snow monsters. While staying in a traditional Japanese ryokan in Zao Onsen town is preferable, it's often challenging due to high demand, requiring to make reservations quite in advance. Therefore, Yamagata city emerges as the next best option to stay and explore the surrounding areas. Wandering through the lanes of Yamagata is a pleasant experience, a Japanese town rich in culture and yet so modern. No matter how modernized Japanese towns become, they don't lose their cultural essence. Being in Japan feeling comes naturally and effortlessly. For my 4-night stay in Yamagata, Comfort Inn Hotel provided a comfortable and convenient base. The next morning I reached the bus stop at 7 a.m. The long queue at that early hour is evidence enough of Zao Onsen town's popularity in winters. Fortunately, I managed to get onto the first bus as there were only a few people ahead of me in the queue. The ride to Zao Onsen bus terminal from Yamagata station takes about 40 minutes and is quite scenic. A short walk from the bus terminal at about 850 meters above sea level, Sanraku Station serves as the starting point of the ropeway to reach the summit and snow monsters. Despite being a weekday, the queue here was long. At the time of buying ticket, the staff informed me that the waiting time would be about 1 hour. Skiers, snowboarders and tourists all wait in the same line. And finally, after a wait of about 1 hour and 20 minutes, the moment arrived to board the cable car. As the cable car ascended, the only thing that became increasingly visible was wilderness, with snow stretching in every direction. The ropeway provides spectacular views of the terrain below as well as the surrounding Zhao mountain range. It was actually surprising to see any form of life surviving in such harsh conditions. After about 8 minutes, the ropeway arrived at the intermediate station at 1300 meters above sea level. This station involves a transfer to another cable car. Now the shapes of the snow monsters became more and more prominent amidst the snowy landscape. It looked like a forest of thousands of creatures, standing side by side, stretching out endlessly. Below, some skiers were winding their way through the trees laden with snow. The last station and gateway to this incredible landscape, at about 1660 meters above sea level, is Jizo Sancho Station. The temperature at the summit is well below zero in winters. Cold and strong winds cause a significant chill factor, making the feelable temperature much lower. Holding the camera steady could prove to be a challenge. Snow monsters, or Juyo as called in Japanese, are created through a special process when extremely cool moisture droplets in the air stick and freeze instantly on the trunks and branches of fir trees. Seasonal cold winds blowing from Siberia in winters are a major contributory factor to the formation of these snow monsters. It is a repetitive process. More droplets bind to already frozen ones, forming clumps, and go on to create shapes resembling creatures. The best time to see the snow monsters is said to be the month of February. A protector deity guards the area. The restaurant atop the summit serves heartwarming food with great views. Weather here can turn bad in an instant. It suddenly became impossible to see anything. The return journey from the summit was just as breathtaking as the ascent. Winter is a popular time, ensuring that long queues are there everywhere. But the serene beauty of the wilderness and the wonders of nature make every moment worthwhile. Zhao Onsen area receives some of the highest annual snowfall in the world. Its fine powdery snow and perfect slopes make it a prime destination for skiers and snowboarders. In addition to ski slopes, superheated minerals-rich healing water, powered by volcanic activity deep within the mountains, makes Zhao Onsen town a sought-after spring bath and relaxing destination. The little town is surrounded by towering mountains and wilderness, making it one of the most scenic towns in Japan. Nestled within its landscape, Zhao Onsen town comprises a few spring bath retreats, souvenir shops, restaurants, and cafes. Winter is the most popular season when visitors flock in large numbers for winter sports, enchanting snow-covered scenery, and spring bath experience.